Hello everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and if you're here for the very first time, welcome. If you are here again, welcome back, sis. So before we get into it, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you stop what you're doing and subscribe, and then make sure that you click on the notification bell so that you do not miss another video from me. And then also make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, but you can give it a thumbs up after you watch it, because I want you to thumbs it up if you like it. But anyway, let's go ahead and move on. So we are going to be completing my budget for the last paycheck in May. I'm so excited because I was paid 3 times this month, and that is what we're going to be doing. So I am budgeting in my Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner, and we're going to go on over to May, which will give our last paycheck. So I've already kind of started with creating the budget, and so we're just gonna keep going. I will be paid $2,114.95. This is what we're gonna be actually budgeting with. This is after I have already taken out my tithes and offering. Okay, so the paycheck to paycheck budget is so helpful to me because not only do I complete one budget throughout the month for the entire month, but I also go back and I break down each paycheck and I budget each paycheck. That way it just really helps me to be able to see my money exactly where it is, what bills I need to pay, and so forth like that. So once I am done with saving for my emergency fund, then I'm going to go into saving 1 full month's worth of income and just have that sitting in my checking account so that whenever I receive my bills, I can just pay them right away while the account is still being buffered with my bill money. Okay, so that is after I am done saving for my emergency fund, and then I'm gonna move that over this way. Then I'll just feel a lot of security there. So let's go ahead and get started. So the paycheck that I'm gonna be receiving tomorrow, which is on the 29th, is gonna take care of the bills that I have in the beginning of June. This is the reason why it's very important to complete your month's overview budget at least 5 days before the new month begins, or at least a day before you get your last paycheck within the month. Because if there are any bills that you need to pay within that pay period, you'd be able to see it and you'd be able to include that in your budget. So I'm going to be paying the beginning of June's bills with my last paycheck in the month of May. Okay, so I'm going to be flipping back and forth here. So the very first bill that we have on the docket is going to be Pay Yourself First. And that's not really a bill. This is just something that I do. I give myself a minimum of $100 per paycheck that I put to the side and that I save no matter what. And I do that right after I give my tithes and offerings. So this is $100. And then next is going to be it's not really going to be my mortgage because I've already saved my mortgage with the last 2 paychecks. So what's going to be next is going to be my T-Mobile bill. And the T-Mobile bill is $50. And then next up is going to be, oops, sorry guys, let me just put this paper clip on here. So my nails are a little bit in the way. So next up is going to be my water bill. And my water bill is a total of $78.97. Next up is going to be the gas company. The bill is $86.65. And then next up is going to be cable, which is $127.05. And that's really cable and internet. And then next is, that's it actually. Oh, Apple storage, I didn't get that one. And Apple storage is $9.99. So those are all of the bills that I'm gonna be paying with this particular paycheck. And then come when I get paid on the 12th, then I'm gonna pay the rest of the bills that I have, okay? So let me go ahead and calculate this all up. Now I'm working on a budget sheet where the Excel sheet does all of the math for you. And I cannot wait until that's ready because sometimes I really jack my math up. I'm really looking towards going digital. I'm still gonna write it down, but the very first thing I'm gonna do is do it on the spreadsheet. So then that way I don't have to come here and do this. So we got 100 plus $50 plus $78.97 plus $86.65 plus $127.05 plus $9.99. That's $452.66. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to expenses. Now the expenses that I have this go round will include my daughter's graduation party that we're gonna be throwing for her. And all right, so for the expenses, first we're gonna go with our groceries. And with our groceries, that is $150. And then next is gonna be gas. Gas is gonna be $50. And then next is going to be sinking funds. And then sinking funds is $220. And let me see if I'm missing anything. Sorry guys, that oh, my daughter's, her graduation party. Daughter grad party. She's graduating from high school. She's gonna be 18 in a couple months. So I set aside $300 for that. And then my hair will be $200. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, groceries, gas, gardener. Oh, yeah, gardener. I need to add the gardener. Sinking funds and then graduation. Okay. And then gardener is $50. All right, so let's go ahead and total all of this up and see what we get here. All right, so now let's go ahead and take our calculator. So we got groceries for $150, $50 for gas, $220 for sinking funds, daughter's graduation $300, my hair $200, and then $50 there. So that's $970. Okay. So also what we're gonna do is we're gonna put here income. And then we're gonna subtract from that bills. Then we're gonna subtract from that expenses. And then that will equal what we're gonna put in savings. Okay, so that's $2,114.95 minus $452.66. minus $970, and that will take us to, see, so $2,114 214.95 minus 452. Oops. See, this is the reason why I need the sheet. 2114 minus 452, 66 minus 970, $692.29 will go into savings. Okay, now I also have my savings challenge where I was saving I'm saving on my $5 bills, and then I also had some other money, like some leftover savings. So I have like a few different savings challenges that I have going on right now. So if I need more money for the graduation party, then I'm just gonna pull from that, so that it does not take out of my budget. I do want to continue to put money towards my emergency fund. So I'm gonna definitely try to do this on a budget as much as I can, but anything additional will be taken from there. And what I'm gonna be doing for her graduation celebration, I just want to kind of deck out the front yard and put like balloons and you know, I'm not sure if you guys have seen, but they have like the senior's picture like on the front lawn, and then some decorations like on our garage, and some food, of course, to feed the family, and then to get her a gift, you know, for graduating. And then she has another gift. I don't know if she can hear me, but she has another gift. So anywho, and then we have to get her license, and we kind of have to do some things. So I just want to make sure that I'm gonna be prepared to do that. And so that is it for this budget. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, especially if you learned anything or if it was very helpful or even entertaining to you. And also make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. I would really appreciate it. And then make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you do not miss another video from your girl. And I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.